Good morning. I am very happy to know that Samskrita Bharati has proposed a program called Grihe Grihe Ramayana, beginning Ramanavami Day tomorrow for the next 1 year. I am extremely happy that Samskrita Bharati has taken this initiative because this is a very, very important thing. I will just share a few of my thoughts. First of all, every Indian must know the two epics. There are so many things about our life, our culture, our priorities, our ideas of what is right, what is wrong. Everything is contained in these two epics. Therefore, any opportunity to read the epics end to end, beginning to end, is a very nice opportunity. Many of us want to do it. Samskrita Bharati has created an opportunity, so that's wonderful. The second important reason is see, every one of us, our goal in life is to evolve. Every individual wants to evolve. And in this journey, many times we do not know what is the reference standard. What does evolution mean, and where do I go? So that gold standard, if you want to see, you have to see Ramayana. Ramayana sets what is the ultimate stage of evolution that an individual can have. In fact, at the very beginning of the epic itself, there are 16 qualities of Rama which Valmiki has stated, and the rest of the epic actually shows it in different ways. So I think that's the second reason why we have set our own standards of to what level we should evolve. So we should read Ramayana. The third reason is, if somebody reads Ramayana, all the six khandas, by the end of reading all those, they would actually develop a very good proficiency in Sanskrit, because this Adikavya is written so nicely. It's not a very complicated Sanskrit. The prayogas become very familiar, the language becomes familiar. So it also gives us an advantage that we can learn Sanskrit in the process. Therefore, I think this is a great initiative by Samskrita Bharati. I would urge every Indian to join in this initiative. In about a year's time, you will see it is all worth taking effort. Reading 2 sargas a day will take anywhere between 15 minutes to 45 minutes. I am sure we can, depending upon the length of the sarga, I am sure we can prioritize our life and find this time for the next 1 year, and we will only be benefited. And above all, the blessings of Sita Lakshmana, Bharata Shatrughna, Hanuman Sameta, Ramachandra Murthy will be with us, and I think that's why we should do it. I wish you all the very best. I would like to see you all joining this Samskrita Bharati's initiative and having taken good use of this opportunity. Good luck.